Hi, I'm Lindsay with Ellie and Mac Sewing Patterns. Today we're going to be unboxing the Meissner Sewing So Happy Spring Edition subscription box. Now, if you have seen our holiday edition, you'll know that these boxes are full of such fun projects and sewing related goodies. So when they asked me to share with you their spring edition, it was a no-brainer. I am so excited to see what's inside this box. They have also extended to our customers a discount code for 50% off this box. So if you want it, you can check the link in the description and you can use the discount code EllieandMac50. Put that in the discount code promo box in the cart and you'll see that discount applied to your cart. So let's get in here and see what's inside. So let's see what's inside. Like I said with the holiday edition, the box is really lovely. I'm already using the holiday box for storing things, and I just think it's just a really nice box. So the So Happy Spring box is probably sure to be a hit. Great thank you card. I love that they stitch these. That's just such a great personal touch. This is just going over their sales for the spring. They've got 20% off notions and accessories. Buy 1 yard of fabric, get 50% off, an extra 10% off all machines. And then they have So Happy Spring is this discount code. And then project instructions are on the back. So the first thing you see, oh, this is awesome. I'm just starting to learn to quilt, so this will be so wonderful. The friend of mine who's teaching me will probably really enjoy the bright colors. But yeah, so this is the bright collection that they have. They have, I think, a couple different options you can choose from, at least 2. And this is the palette I chose just because I love bright things. So this is wonderful. Oh, that's neat. You get the Hibiscus Blackberry tea. This is from Savoy Tea Company. There's 15 sachets in here, and it is just like a green tea with some hibiscus flowers. This looks like it's going to be really lovely. I love tea, so that's a win. All right. We have this lovely pin. I have the one from the last box on my sewing table. I just think they're fun and it just kind of makes me smile to see them. Oh, a puzzle, how fun. It's like tiny. So you get this fun puzzle. What's great about this though is like you could totally take that with you if you're going on vacation or on a trip, and it could be a fun like rainy day thing to do. Or spring break if your kids are home, grandkids. It's a great thing to have them help with. Let's get this out of the way here. I love that this is recyclable because I don't have to feel so bad about the paper. Look how cute this is. Oh, that's darling. You can either put it up, which I'm going to do in my sewing room here just to add another little bright, you know, happy thing, or you could give it as a gift, but oh, I just love that. Okay. All right, and we have, I'm guessing this is for hand embroidery, like the hoop. Let's see. So this is to make a scent heart, and there's information in here. I believe there's this envelope is for you to mail the heart that you make to the organization that is collecting these hearts for newborns in need. So I'm not exactly sure all the details, but that's the gist I understand from this project, which I think is kind of cool. You can make a picnic blanket. That's neat. Looks like it might be like a little bit like fluffed or quilted at least. So that's neat. Oh, I have seeds. That's awesome. I was just thinking it was so beautiful today that it might be a good day to plant some seeds. All right, we have, see, I told you, So this is what the embroidery hoop is for. It is for this, and it looks like a fun one because it's about plants. So that's great. Very spring-like. I like how all the projects are kind of sewing related, but not exactly. So they kind of stretch me in different ways, which I really love because sometimes I don't push myself to think outside the box that much. All right, and here's the mug for spring. Oh, that's beautiful. I love mugs. It's just something about like choosing the right one and like holding it in my hands while the like steam rises. Oh, just love it. Let's just put that there. All right, and we've got some espresso, which is lovely because I was just about to run out of mine. Put that there by the mug. All right, we have a scrunchie kit, a fabric basket, and cotton rounds. Neat. So I think that I think you're supposed to use your fabric that you got in this to make all these things. I'm pretty sure. So I will confirm that, but that's what I understand. So we have the embroidery kit. What a fun box, don't you think? We have the cotton rounds. These are great for using to like remove your makeup or cleaning up little quick spills here and there. I like to put them in my purse because you never know when you might need to wipe something up or clean up your makeup or something. So those are great. Scrunchies, of course, like we all need those. The fabric basket, I think that's gonna be a really fun sew because I haven't made a basket like this before. And I've learned from the cubic bag that we made that I now use as a basket on my cutting table that they're just so handy. I just really like having baskets around now. The picnic blanket, of course, I'll use. We like to sit out and like play games or chat with the neighbors and their children in the front, so that will be nice. The seeds, of course, I'm ready to make those, and I think this project will be a really lovely thing. We have the espresso to give us some energy to complete all of our tasks. Our cute little crocheted guy. We've got our puzzle to take with us. The cute pin. The tea. The beautiful mug. And our fat quarter set. Again, these are just so lovely. I'm really excited to use them. So, what do you think? What would be your favorite item in here? And why? I would really like to know. Like for me, it's the fat quarter set just because like even looking at it brings me joy because it's such beautiful colors. But I really love the mug and the tea as well. And this little guy, oh, it's hard to pick a favorite. But anyways, yeah, I'd love to hear all your thoughts on this box. I think it's awesome. Again, they do 4 boxes that are seasonal, and I have a discount code for you that I will put on the screen and in the description that is unique to Ellie and Mac customers. So check it out. I think you will be so happy that you did, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the next box has.